Hey fam, Chi Chi here. Welcome back. Today I'm doing something very different from the usual content. I'm giving you an Amazon haul. I've been wanting to switch things up just a little bit. I do feel like there are some logical things that add just a little sprinkle of lavishness, and it doesn't have to like break the bank or anything. And you know, it just makes yourself a little bit more bougie. If you are new here, hey, I'm Chi Chi and I talk about all things lavish but logical. So if you like that type of thing, go ahead, subscribe, make some friends in the comment section, and go ahead and follow me on the gram and TikTok. Let's get into something really simple. I updated my phone case, okay? It seems like something so small, like, girl, it's a phone case, but it has purpose. I was in my car and the charger that I'm using currently for my S22 Ultra, when I would plug that thing up, it would say 3 hours to charge and my phone would be at 80%. It's just like, it shouldn't take 3 hours to charge. This is a brand new phone. So I was like, let me start looking for a new charger. So I stumbled upon this company and they had this set where you got the phone case and you got a car mount. So what was dope about this car mount is that it's wireless charging. Yes, we're in the future now. With this one, because it's MagSafe, all you gotta do is snap it on and it charges. And I was like, this is so fancy. I freaking love it. And it's a strong magnet. Like, she not going anywhere. You can put it, you know, horizontal, vertical, however you want your phone to be. You do get a USB-C and a USB cord or whatever. So the cord is actually hooked up to the actual mount. So you just leave it hooked up like that, and then you just put your phone on it and it's charging while it's mounting. Yes! It's the little things for me. Don't laugh at me, guys, but your girl got a over-the-door mount. Listen, I needed it, okay? The original one that I bought, I don't know what was up with that, but okay, she's on a swivel. Yes, I thought I had to put something together, girl. I'm Barbara the Builder, but sometimes I just don't want to be putting shit together. But the original one that I bought, this little hook was dumb big, and I'm like, whose door is that thick? Like, not mine. I live in a very dated house. So I wanted to buy this because I didn't want to just throw my coats onto like a chair or anything like that, or actually have to hang them up like a normal person would do. So I wanted something that I had in here. I can just throw my clothes on or whatever and just hang it up real quick. I think I might get another one. All of this is a rubber grip, so it's not gonna mess up your door. So it's very renter friendly, and yeah, I really like it. So I do have another purpose for it. I'm gonna get to it later, so you can actually put two and two together. Because my perfume collection has been growing so rapidly, I wanted to invest in a beautiful stand to display all of my perfumes. So if you follow me on Instagram, you saw the whole debacle. You saw literally everything. But I ended up with this acrylic stand. Oh my God, I absolutely love this stand. When I tell you, she's nice and thick and sturdy. Ooh, girl, she's thick and sturdy. Basically, the first acrylic stand that I had was so freaking thin that my perfumes were actually sagging on the shelves. So I was like, you cannot be trusted, honey, because listen, these niche perfumes aren't cheap, and I'll be damned if I came home and all of my perfumes are just bloop, bloop on the floor. No ma'am, no ma'am. So I went through 5 actual stands and I landed between this one and another one. The other one, very popular, and it was a really great contender. However, this one edged it out for a few reasons. First of all, she had rubber feet, darling, and because my perfumes are on a counter, I have a perfume counter. But because it's on the desktop, they have a free edge, and I didn't want to chance it by any rumbling. Y'all know my cat be up in here. She doesn't jump onto counters, thank God. She know better. But I wanted something with guardrails. So this does have guardrails, so it keeps my perfumes nice and secure. But the Winkney one, it was really, really good. So if you had something like a pack system or any type of storage system that had walls to it, I would have totally went for that. I think that was a 3-pack for almost the same price as this one. I don't have this rail on it because it came in a 2-pack, so I just pushed them both together, so it gave me like one big display. But freaking love, 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 love this. And what I absolutely love about actually both of them, they had thick acrylic. This is a 4mm. There is no sagging, there's no buckling, it is not shaking, nothing. So I freaking love how my perfumes look on here. Everything just looks like a perfume counter, girl. So I was really, really happy with this, and it was very easy to assemble. I literally just had to pop on the legs and throw on the guardrails. That was it. I'm gonna have everything linked in the description box for you guys. Another thing I was very, very happy to replace because mine broke, a fabric shaver. I had the Rowena fabric shaver. It stopped working. I was like, okay, this is my time to actually get a new one. So I found this one and I was like, oh, she's cute, because the the other fabric shaver, it was one of those handheld ones where you just gotta go like this or whatever. Listen, I'm getting older, okay? Carpal tunnel, all that stuff. I don't want such a wide grip. I wanted something a little bit more, you know, delicate and bougie. So I liked the shape of this, and then the little accents of it, it's all matte black. I was like, oh my gosh, she is so cute. But there are 3 features in here that just had me sold, honey, okay? First of all, she is a USB-C rechargeable. Listen, I ain't gotta put no batteries in it, which is great. Just plug it up and go. Then with my old one, I would have to switch out the blades depending on the height and all that stuff. I didn't want to have to do that. So this one just twists and it will adjust the depth for you. So I don't know if you can kind of see, like, it's pushed back a little bit more, and then when you twist it the other way, it's right there. So you can just all on your clothes. But one push of a button and your lint, your fuzzies, just whoop, comes right out. So I was super excited to get this. I know it's so stupid, but everyone should actually have a fabric shaver because you can use it on so many things, you know, old sweaters, pants, you know, your yoga pants, you know, you be having those fuzzies. I know, girl, you be having the fuzzies. I also got a new couch, and y'all know I got a cat as well. Things ball up, okay? So you just want to make sure your things are looking good, and this is a nice way to make sure you're still looking polished, okay? Get the fuzzies off your clothes, okay? But Electrolux, listen, can we talk about this little presentation? And they know their presentation is good because what they wrote on there, a box worth keeping. They already knew. They already knew this box was fire. I ended up getting a steamer. I haven't ironed something in years, maybe even decades. I just hate ironing. But a steamer, oh, I'm gonna get busy with a steamer. Look how good this looks. Gold accents, sleek black matte, but it is digital on the back or whatever. It's a plug up joint. I wish it was, do they even have cordless ones? Probably so, but I didn't look that far. But this one does have a lock on it. It's either gonna automatically steam or you just lock it so you don't, you know, pull the trigger on it. You do have the water tank at the base of it, and you just pop it in and get busy. I believe this is like either 1500 watts or 1800 watts. Girl, I don't even care about that. I just liked it because it was pretty. It does come with a couple of attachments. Don't know what those are for. And then on top of it, because I have the over the door hook, I can just put my clothes up there. Because this is not just my studio. This is my closet. So a majority of my clothing are in these closets. So it's nice to just be up here steaming, so I could just throw my stuff on the hook, get the wrinkles out, and keep it pushing, because we can't be wrinkled, okay? We can't be wrinkled. And I've been without a steamer for a while now, and I will admit I have gone out in public with wrinkles. That's the journey I chose to walk, okay? Now y'all know I said I'm all about the little things, right? So when I saw this, I was like, you know what? We're just gonna add that to cart. Nothing more bougie than a freaking bedside carafe. Nothing. So I saw this and I was just like, oh my God, she is so cute. I am one who has 1, maybe even 2, sometimes 3 bottles of water by my bedside. And you know, I just wanted my bedroom to feel a little bit more hotel-like. And I feel like everyone should do that in their bedroom. It should feel like a retreat. They have a few colors, but I decided to go with a matte black because it matches my headboard, because you know, it's nice and metal, you know, something to grip on to. But that's not that type of channel we're talking about. I only bought one just to see how I would like it. And right now she's cute. She's a nice little vibe. So the one thing I wish they didn't put on it, well, they could have put it on it. They just could have put it at the base of the carafe. But really, did we need this stamp right here? Like, come on, fam. Like, you messing up my aesthetics. But anyway, I thought this was nice and bougie because it's a small little detail to be a little bit more lavish, a little bit more bougie, and you know, she's cute or whatever. And I'm thinking about getting one for my studio because, you know, sis be parched sitting here recording all these videos. So again, it's something that's really cute and lavish. You know, I might be in the middle of a video, be like, you know, take a little sip and put it on back. Make sure you're following me on Instagram because I'm gonna update you guys on how I'm vibing with all of these products, because you know, the feelings may change after an unboxing and once you really start to use some things. But until then, check out some of my other videos and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.